medal tally update for Batang Pinoy 2025 as of 10:30 p.m. October 27, still leading the rank City of Manila with 7 gold, 6 silver, 4 bronze, a total of 17 medals. Followed by the City of Baguio with 9 medals and City of Pasig with 13. Meanwhile, Cebu City, Quezon City, and General Santos are now tied at 5th spot nationwide, each with 9 medals. Following closely are Iloilo City with 5 medals, Zamboanga City with 6 medals, and Province of Iloilo with 9 medals. Consistent performance din from Tarlac, Davao City, and Davao del Sur, showing strong regional representation. From Luzon to Visayas to Mindanao, bawat LGU may ipinakitang galing at determinasyon. Athletes from South Cotabato, Santa Rosa, and Pangasinan also adding to the national medal count. Congratulations to all athletes and teams representing their cities with pride. Stay tuned for more official medal updates. Only here in Miko TV. Follow for more.